Hello and welcome to a new video of FMTTM Future of Finance. Today, we're going to be discussing one of the most exciting and innovative blockchain projects out there, Polkadot. As always, before we get started, I want to remind you that investing always carries some level of risk, and it's important to do your own research and consult with a financial professional before making any investment decisions. This video is for educational purposes only and is not intended to be investment advice. In this video, we're going to dive deep into the technical aspects of Polkadot's architecture, including its use of relay chains and parachains. We'll also discuss the consensus mechanism of nominated proof of stake and how it ensures security and scalability for the network. We'll also touch on the role of the native token, DOT, and how it is used for staking and governance. This video will give you a comprehensive understanding of the revolutionary technology behind Polkadot. So, let's get started. Polkadot is the first fully sharded blockchain, meaning it is a multi-chain environment that enables scalability by allowing specialized blockchains to communicate with each other in a secure, trust-free environment. This means that Polkadot is built to connect and secure unique blockchains, whether they be public, permissionless networks, private consortium chains, or other Web3 technologies. It enables an internet where independent blockchains can exchange information under common security guarantees. Unlike traditional blockchain platforms like Ethereum, which are limited to a single chain, Polkadot allows for multiple parallel chains, known as parachains, to coexist and interact with each other on the same network. This allows for a wide range of use cases, from cross-chain communication to decentralized finance, to be built on the Polkadot ecosystem. At the core of Polkadot's architecture is the relay chain, which acts as the central hub for all the parachains. The relay chain is responsible for maintaining the consensus of the network, as well as providing security for the parachains. The consensus mechanism used by Polkadot is called nominated proof of stake, in which validators are chosen by the community to validate transactions and produce blocks on the relay chain. Polkadot also has its own native token, DOT, which is used for staking and governance. Staking allows users to participate in the network by holding DOT and validating transactions, while governance enables the community to vote on protocol upgrades and other decisions that affect the network. Now we move on to how Polkadot technical works. Apologies in advance if it gets too technical. You can always play back the video and listen to it again. As mentioned earlier in the video, Polkadot is a revolutionary blockchain network that utilizes a unique concept of a relay chain and parachains to achieve scalability and flexibility. The relay chain is the central hub of the network and is responsible for maintaining the consensus and security of the network, as well as serving as a bridge between the different parachains. The relay chain uses a consensus mechanism called nominated proof of stake to validate transactions and produce blocks. A parachain is an application-specific data structure that runs parallel to the relay chain, allowing them to parallelize transaction processing and achieve scalability of the Polkadot system. They inherit the security of the entire network and can communicate with other parachains through the cross-consensus message format or XCM format. The role of the collator node is to maintain a full node of the parachain, retain all necessary information of the parachain, and produce new block candidates to pass to the relay chain validators for verification and inclusion in the shared state of Polkadot. The incentivization of a collator node is an implementation detail of the parachain. They are not required to be staked on the relay chain or own the native token unless stipulated by the parachain implementation. The process of locking tokens on the chain is called staking. Token holders can lock funds on the chain, and for doing so, they are getting staking rewards. There is thus an economic incentive for token holders to become active participants who contribute to the economic security and stability of the network. In addition, nominated proof of stake allows for a more inclusive system, as participants do not need technical knowledge about blockchain technology or experience in running mining equipment. It also ensures that everyone participating in the staking process has skin in the game and can be held accountable for their actions. Hope it wasn't too technical. We will now move on to some use cases on the Polkadot network. There are a wide range of use cases on Polkadot that were previously not possible on traditional blockchain networks. One of the key use cases is cross-chain communication. Polkadot's interoperability allows for communication and transfer of value between different chains, enabling a truly decentralized ecosystem where different blockchain projects can interact with each other seamlessly. Another key use case is decentralized finance or DeFi. With its ability to connect different chains, Polkadot enables the creation of new financial applications and services that are not limited by the constraints of a single chain. This opens up new opportunities for lending, borrowing, and trading of assets across different chains. Polkadot's architecture also has a great potential for the gaming industry. Its scalability and interoperability can benefit the gaming industry by allowing for decentralized, cross-chain gaming experiences where players can use assets from one game in another. The supply chain industry can also benefit from Polkadot's architecture. Its ability to connect different chains can enable the tracking and verification of products across different stages of the supply chain. There are many projects and organizations currently building on Polkadot, each with their unique use cases and solutions. Some examples include Akala, Chinks, Plasm Network, Ocean, and Edgeware. Finally, I want to highlight the governance of the Polkadot network because it is so unique. Polkadot's governance system allows for the evolution of the network over time through the participation of its stakeholders. The goal is to ensure that the majority of the stake can always command the network. The mechanism for making changes to the network involves active token holders and the Polkadot Council working together to administrate network upgrade decisions. Proposals can be submitted by the public or the council, but all must go through a referendum for all holders, weighted by stake, to make the final decision. The Polkadot Council is responsible for decision-making and is formed through a nomination and election process. It is composed of technical experts and community members who are elected by the community. The Council is responsible for reviewing and submitting proposals to the community for voting. Referenda are simple, inclusive, state-based voting schemes that are used to make decisions on network upgrades. They can be started in several ways, such as through publicly submitted proposals, proposals submitted by the Council, or emergency proposals submitted by the Technical Committee. All referenda have an enactment delay associated with them, which is the period between the referendum ending and the changes being enacted. Recent governance proposals have included updates to the token bonding curve, changes to the Council composition, and the introduction of new features such as governance portals. These proposals have had a significant impact on the network and have helped shape the direction of the project. Thanks for watching. Now you know everything you need to know about Polkadot. So, what is your vision on Polkadot? Please share it in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in the future, let us know in the comments.